Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Maud Kafian, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into a topic close to my heart, maximizing mental well-being through biodiversity conservation. Did you know that the diversity of life on Earth isn't just beautiful to look at, but it's also crucial for our own well-being? That's right. Research has shown that the continuing decline in biodiversity poses a significant threat to humanity's existence. Many of us live in cities surrounded by heavily curated green spaces like manicured parks and gardens. While these areas are pleasant, they often lack biodiversity, which is essential for a healthy ecosystem. That's why we need to shift our focus towards protecting and promoting biodiversity-rich environments like wild meadows and waterways. These natural habitats provide a home for a wide range of plants, animals, and microorganisms. So, how does biodiversity relate to mental well-being? Well, studies have shown that spending time in nature can have a profound positive effect on our mental health. Whether it's taking a hike through a forest, bird watching in a meadow, or simply sitting by a riverbank, immersing ourselves in biodiverse environments can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. But here's the catch. To reap the full benefits of nature, we need to ensure that these environments are rich in biodiversity. That means protecting them from pollution, habitat destruction, and other threats. As an environmental botanist, my passion lies in conserving natural environments from pollution and degradation. But I can't do it alone. We all have a role to play in preserving biodiversity for future generations. So, let's come together and embrace the beauty of biodiversity. Not only will it benefit our mental well-being, but it's also essential for the health of our planet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on conservation and environmental science. Until next time, take care.